In this video, I will guide you how to add text behind object in Filmora. First, you need to import the video to the timeline. Then go to the titles, click on the recommended, click on the title as you like. Adjust with the media, and on the right side type the desired tags. Increase the font size, use the font as you like, select the color of your choice, adjust the text position, and then go to the animation tab and select the typewriter. Click on the video and make a duplicate copy by Ctrl C plus V and drag on to the above the tags. Now select the top media, click on the AI mating tools and click on the smart cutout. Pick the smart brush and select the object. And then click to the smart cutout. It will take some time depending upon the video length. Once the processing finished, click save. Now let's play it how it looks, and here you can see that the text is behind object. So in this way you can easily make the text behind object. So I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.